Fine, let us start solving the problem number 17. Fine, here convert a 26 kilometer, 900 meter and 300 centimeter into centimeters. So we have to convert this one into centimeter. Let us work on this. See, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, so therefore 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 into 100. It is nothing but, right, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh centimeter. Right, now they are substitute here. So now we have supposed to convert. See, 26 kilometer they have given. That is, I need to convert it into centimeter. That is 26 into 1 lakh. Right? See, that is going to be 26 lakhs. So, okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 zeros, right? 5 zeros. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, a lakh, 10 lakh, 26 lakh centimeter, and as well as 900 meters is equal to, how many centimeters? See, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 900 meter is equal to, that is nothing but 900 into 100, which is nothing but 9 4 zeros, that is 90,000, right? This will become 90,000. And 300 centimeter. Now add it, 0, 0, 3, 0, 9, 6, this. So this is nothing but 2690, 300 centimeter. That is nothing but 26 lakhs 90,300 centimeter. This is what the answer is.